Hi everyone, my name is Juliet Denon and I am from the country of Amuria, here to discuss our drone policy. So Amuria does not approve of armed drones for anybody except for the military. Domestic drones are sometimes used in place of police helicopters. They can help monitor traffic and provide overhead support for the police. They can also be used for commercial purposes like delivery goods. Um, Private drones are allowed for private citizens, but they can't be flown within 2 miles of any airport or military installation. Otherwise, a large fine will be incurred by the government against the individual who owns that drone. Um, Private drones can be used for commercial purposes, but the company must have a commerce license granted by the government for both delivery purposes and cinematic or photographic use. This does not apply, however, to private cinematic or photographic use. So if you're using a drone to take pictures of a wedding or something like that, you don't necessarily need to have a license from the government. Armed drones are only to be used by Amurian armed forces. They are only to be used in wartime and never against the people. Any drones flown out beyond our borders fly within 10 miles of the border and are only for border protection uses and with the permission and cooperation of the other governments. This is to help, this is to allow and help the government monitor our borders and ensure security and make sure no one dangerous is smuggling anything into the country or something like that. Our goal with our drone policy is to keep our people safe and secure while making sure that their rights are maintained. We would never use drones against civilian populations. We do use unmanned drones, but that is only to cut down on cost and to protect members of our military from dangerous situations. But once again, we would only use this in times of war and only as a last resort. So that is the drone policy of Amuria. And there we go.